Aina and the boy and the brother, they didn't wasn't aware of what happened. They did not aware. I'm telling you, he did not aware. So all him know now, and Jayden left school and go at the place, go buy a little fast food restaurant. Where was Shanice? And go back and play the recording. L.A. Lewis specifically asked him, say, where was Shanice at that time? And he says, Hopper Spur Tree. L.A. Lewis repeat, at that time? And him say, yes. Now, when Jayden leaves school and go a little Caesar, it whole it just makes so many sense now. It whole it just make sense. So everybody will take the whole Grinch, the old Grasmite Philiad. I don't think he might tell lie. I personally, from my heart, don't think that whole Grasmite Mr. T did that tell no lie. So when L.A. Lewis asked him, so when Jayden left school and got on at the food shop, where was Shanice? Shanice was indeed there by Spur Tree Hill. And that's where she left from and come, she and that boy and her brother and Goatee. The four of them know exactly what happened to Jayden. 1,000,000,000%. 1,000,000,000%. Oh.
And that may I say to you, because when me looking at it, it come like say, Mr. T that talk the truth because he never get prep yet. He never get nothing, just talk what he know. You understand me? So after he get prep now, then maybe whatever, but he may that talk truth from the first time when L.A. Lewis talk to him.
Right. And this is what I am saying to people, that because everybody did not know from the Friday, everybody did not know. So you cannot defend something if you don't know. Grant, good morning, my darling. You cannot defend nothing. So, Mr. T now, Mr. T, if you listen to when him answer L.A. Lewis, right, so I keep telling people, put in on the 2 earpiece and go and listen to that bit. When him say him can defend her, just listen to him breathing and listen to him in voice range. Listen to him sound range. Him range go drastically high pitch. When him tell us say, me can defend her. Because it's like him a pick up in him head say, no, something not right, but him don't know exactly what happened.
No time.
Guys, me I tell you this. If them are information and not correct, boy, I change my name. Yeah, man. And I feel like that is one of the reasons they've been so passive aggressive, you know, because they probably thinking, we not there, them not here, we are saying nowhere yet, where them know say we are rackle and cage. I guarantee me life tonight so them not sleep comfortable after the life, yeah. We can better say them not sleep comfortable after the life, yeah.
I don't realize so get closer.
Them are is the one, man. Them are, man. Them are. Yeah.
We have to just keep it up.
Not them are. It's not them are. It's not them are. It's the boy from St. Elizabeth. It's him. It's not them are. It's him.
So them would have nothing to do with it.
Of course, them are have something to do with it. So they don't dash. Them are did when they pick it up at one.
Okay.
The boy couldn't go pick up Jayden for the moon, because the boy and Jayden is not like that. Okay. That is why I'm telling you right. smart. So them can't hide it from we. Them cannot hide it because I say, he said I'm going to meet one cousin, but I couldn't him. JT! Thank you, my darling. Thank you, my love. You understand where I come from? So that's why this man I can't talk, you know. This man I can't talk who the daughter say, Jayden I go meet, you know. Cause him have to come say I, you know. And him know say if him say that, him a get in a problem. So when him come and talk about say them a buy him present and them a buy him this, them a pay him for in silence. And in my box him come talk about say them a buy me.
You mean to? Tiger.
Yeah.
Shine said don't check me. Feel free cap so this is an lie.
Better way they work.
Yeah, but me free now. Is that after my head mad? Woo! We need some to put on this mad head. My head mad is a shame. Need to put on one cap on this mad head.
One more have to ask, right? You know what I say? I feel like they have to come in with certain type of lie, you know. Like, but a judge can summon to a DNA test, not true?
Of course, I think if they have reason to.
Yeah, I feel like them thing they fit go. You see now a serious case like how a little boy got missing and all of these things. Yeah, we feel like some DNA test we get for summons and everything. But and this is what I'm saying, like we cannot keep letting down the children them after today, because if there's no children there will be no future. You understand? If there is no children, we will have no future, and we have to protect them by any means necessary. Right? And guys, may I tell you something, from the information that I got today, a lot of us are going to be disappointed and in the result of the case. A lot of us is got, including myself, because I go back and I listen. All night last night, I got my bed probably about some minutes to 7 this morning. Because I listen to the thing them and I try make sense out of nonsense and nonsense out of nonsense and all these things. You understand? And I am thinking, can one person be so stupid to know that you are the cause of the thing, but because you did not do it with your hands, you feel say you're going to get away? You can't get away, my love. You can't get away, no?
That's what I'm saying.
You can't get away.
Certain people cannot be ruled out. They cannot be ruled out.
You understand? You can't get away.
You white saffron. Yep.
Because you what me know. You know, say, I'm sad to come and say this to the public. You know, so me feel sad the crocodile are the last person to find out what happened. Yeah. Yes, me me never get that, you know, but when me I listen to the interview them, me feel that the crocodile are the last person to find out what because hear what me know. The crocodile would have genuinely I wonder why he might go up on Perth Road. Why am I doing this? But he get a text message when he was at Little Caesar. So the crocodile would not know. The crocodile would not know about the text message him get. And that's why you see. That's why you hear. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Oh, that is the reason why you hear Goatee tell the crocodile say, don't call him straight, because him know exactly what I'm to his phone and what I go on to his phone. And you know what happened?
Long time.
That
yes.
phone probably was with Goatee at the time. When the mama called the phone probably was with Goatee.
Exactly.
Goatee probably have the phone when he might tell the mama say don't call the phone, because blah 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 and wait. Because if me take up my phone and me I go call the vet, it doesn't matter who is around me, you don't need to give me no instruction about the vet. Make the vet phone no ring or make it ring or whatever. When you are going to tell me say me not to phone the vet because what? Yeah, are you one did you say? Airflow?
And have no credit. The number cut off. Oh, you know all of that.
Yo, me say people, why? Me don't know. You see, if I not so, anyhow I not so, you go me I tell you say, there's no justice in this land. Me I tell you that. Yes, but what more have to know, all of the people who have them links and then contact to the hyena, may I send one message to her. Tell her if you inbox me and tell me, come and give up the boy. Well, you should tell him say don't do it. Yeah. You should tell him say don't pick him up. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't pick him up and you should tell him say don't lick him. You should tell that boy that say don't lick him. But no, you just come from jail. You feel say you're bad too, you want to go carry place. And let me tell you something. You see black markets where everybody are talking about, we're not going to find it here. We're not going to find it. The black markets where everybody are talking about, we're not going to find it. Because the black markets was a car. It was on a car mart where they must sell. And then take it and use it. And then they sell it. So we're not going to find it. And you see because... Huh?
No, I was gonna say, you see, like right now, like how we want them to come out and come forward. From yesterday, we mentioned this. We don't mind the alias them, but we want to know who we're talking to. So you have to go, you know, like them name, we have to start call them names so they know say them we want. And you can call the AKA after that. But we want to know who we're talking to and who we're calling out. Me like the hyena, you know, but sometimes we mix up a which one name so.
The hyena Shanice and the crocodile are the old big old crocodile looking woman. And the reptile are the big old grass mite what they call him T.
And sometimes they don't know them names, so we just want to call them names so they know that them we want.
You can't call their name, man, but me can't. Right now, me can't for them name can't come out of my mouth straight because them name never come out of mouth.
So they don't know themselves when they call them, so they don't know who.
I lie.
We want.
The crocodile go call to. So they know who me attack. Yes.
Oh well, so we're gonna put it on make the police them know say other one the name so then.
Yeah.
So we want them when them call them out and go pick them up, then forget the right one.
The crocodile and ball to them, I ball to somebody the other day. I said, oh, one man up on TikTok call me animal.
Then if you come down here and hear me people them pick you know most animal.
Exactly.
If I'm go animal name people without a trace.
But I want to know, right? I want to know where the hyena I go tell me say. She couldn't tell the boy to stop. She couldn't tell the boy say to be careful that you can't lick him like that as a kid. I want to know what she thinking I gonna happen. You understand? What you
Maybe
think I
that
gonna
was her-
happen?
Maybe that was her instructions too.
Why? I gonna tell you no.
That's wicked. Yeah, run. Are you the come for?
But look at that tiger. Why need so much people for go for the little youth?
Exactly.
Not bad,
Yeah.
them bad.
Yeah, why need so much people for go for the little youth? Really?
Bad, them bad.
Guys, me I telling you know. Me I telling you say nobody else. I mean, no want to hear it from me. But nobody else, nobody place. The people from Newport, them afraid of the boy. And them have all right to afraid of him because he's a gang leader. And he come out of jail. From him come out of jail, you don't see him. He live at St. Elizabeth.
So I'm used to
And he was
frequent
the-
around there.
And then did live before he got jail. And then did live. But then he got jail and come back. When he come back from jail, he go away. And he go away, he no come back down.
Get by the ground floor. I'm being man, I thought if them still have things out on the road there. They mean
And it was of a green Newfield Saturday morning. It was by Newfield Saturday morning by our shop. I buy things and I call the people what they like and take this thing for joke thing. The boy are wicked.
Wow, wow.
Hello, wait.
But we want them, so we have to try my Newfield, so you can't tell you nothing.
You talk about Jayden?
I put one chase to the basket with the dragon.
I am. Yeah, I am. And the one I am knows I am.
But somebody must have called him in though.
That's why I say that I work from man, because I know you what one, you know?
No, me never heard a year what go on. I me had 2 meetings back to back.
Yeah, you hear me say what? You hear me say him take out Jayden, and 4 of them was there when Jayden get take out. Goaty, the hyena, the boy from Panishtown, and that drag queen. Yeah.
So she willing to drop herself and let the rest of your family in there?
Good morning, Kimmy. Good morning, my darling. So what happened now? When she said no, she said people for going up Perth Road go look if taxi pick him up and take him where?
It's my pick him up.